Welcome back to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today we've got the latest AI news. Let's get started. GPT-5 gets friendlier and smarter. Your AI just leveled up. GPT-5 is rolling out with some seriously cool upgrades, making AI chats more helpful and polite. It's not just about smarts anymore. This update makes the AI nicer to interact with. The breakdown. Conversations now feel more natural, less robotic. Handles tricky questions with smoother, smarter answers. Kinder, more understanding tone in every reply. Use GPT-5 for brainstorming, quick research, or just having smarter chats that get you. Duolingo's CEO sets the record straight on that AI memo drama. The buzz around Duolingo's CEO's AI memo got a bit out of hand, but here's the real scoop. It wasn't what people thought. The CEO cleared the air, saying the memo aimed to spark thoughtful AI innovation, not controversy. The lowdown. Memo aimed at ethical, thoughtful AI, not drama. Focus stays on helpful, user-friendly tools. Clears the air on what really went down. Cut through noise. Spot real AI game changers, not just clickbait. AI supercharges RNA vaccines. Welcome to the future. AI isn't just playing chess anymore. It's now speeding up the creation of RNA vaccines and therapies, making breakthroughs faster and more precise than ever. This tech turbocharges how we fight diseases with smart algorithms doing the heavy lifting. The highlights: algorithms predict RNA behavior with precision, faster, safer therapies in development. Could supercharge responses to future pandemics. Stay ahead in health tech. AI isn't just for apps, it's fighting diseases. Big tech's big moves, shake up the future. The latest buzz in tech is all about giant companies making bold steps, from AI breakthroughs to game-changing gadgets. If you love innovation, this roundup is pure excitement. The rundown: AI apps are evolving faster than ever. New gadgets are blending seamlessly into daily life. The big players are in a battle for the future. Spot trends early for smarter career and investment moves. Which company do you think will lead AI in 2030? Google, OpenAI, or someone else? Let us know in comments. Anthropic tightens the reins on AI safety. Anthropic just updated their AI usage policy to keep things safer in the wild world of AI. They're stepping up to prevent misuse and make sure their tech stays on the bright side of innovation. The key points: ban on deepfakes, weaponized AI, and other harmful use. Stronger safety guardrails for public trust. Clearer rules for responsible AI use. Use AI smartly and ethically. Stay on the wave without wiping out. It's 4 p.m. on a Monday. Win the rest of your week. Beat the Monday slump with a 15-minute skill boost. The perks: master in-demand skills like AI engineering and cloud. Prep faster for exams like AWS, Azure, CompTIA. Fresh courses monthly, always up to date. Career upgrades for less than your morning coffee. For just 50 cents a day, you get everything you need to build your future. Tools for AI success. Want to stay sharp in AI? Try these tools: Notion AI, Smarter Notes and Docs, Otter.ai, Auto Meeting Notes, Scribe, instant step-by-step guides, Tome, AI-generated presentations, Grammarly, write clearer, faster. Stay sharp with Mammoth Club. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for your next intel drop. Comment AI Edge unlocked if you're leveling up with us today.